So before we get out of here, I gotta say three things. I gotta say protect trans youth. I gotta say fuck ICE. And with my whole fucking chest, I gotta say free Palestine. Anybody watching at home, anybody walking by, you wanna know who said it? You tell them it's the motherfucking Wonder Years from Philadelphia. And one time, we came out. You ready? Are you ready? Moved all my shit to my parents' basement, and I love the whole apartment. I know things change, not your way. I guess you call this progression. That's a real